Natalie Smith. I have some exciting news to share. I have launched my very own YouTube channel. You can find me at Natalie Smith Leadership Talent. Get ready for bite-sized tips, techniques and strategies to transform your leadership journey and drive individual growth and business success. Whether you're a new team member navigating the waters of managing your time effectively or a seasoned executive struggling to manage change, this channel is for you. So mark your calendars for May 6th when I'll be releasing my first YouTube video.
Yes!
From then on, expect a new video to drop each Monday, packed with laughter, perhaps some tears, but most definitely invaluable insights that'll keep you engaged until the very end. Humour is a key ingredient in my videos, alongside inspiration and information. Picture attending one of my lively training courses or workshops. That's the vibe you'll get. My goal is for you to not only laugh with me, but also take away valuable techniques and insights that'll benefit you both at work and in your personal life. So whether you're grappling as a team member in communicating effectively, or a new leader who wants to improve their coaching and mentoring skills, head over to my channel. You can check out the description below for more information. Subscribe, watch, like, and if you love my videos, share them with your friends, family and colleagues. But wait, there's more.
Yes!
Do you want to continue to connect, expand and enhance your leadership and talent development skills? Well, visit my website, www.nataliesmithleadershipandtalentdevelopment.com. This is where you can join our monthly membership Leadership and Talent Development Club for on-demand resources and participate in tailored training sessions led by yours truly, me. Subscribe to our mailing list, and to say thank you, you'll get a smart goal-setting resource guide helping you to create goals the smart way. Thanks for listening, everyone. Remember to learn, love, and live. Stay blessed.